Good morning children, welcome to the class. Okay, in previous section we have started a new lesson. Okay, see, this lesson is about early humans, how they lived in past. Okay, and a scientist who sent a robot whose name is GoBot. So he used to discover everything, how early humans used to live, what they used to eat, they used to wear, and where they used to live, like this. Okay, see, in first stage of early humans, which GoBot have saw, is he saw that human used to live in caves, and they used to wear leaves and grass, and they invented fire, and by this fire the wild animals are away from the early humans, and they can make fire whenever they want and at any place and anywhere, and as long as they have very right tool to make fire, and no chocolates for them. They used to eat fruits, and they used to eat raw meat. Raw meat means pachi mamsam amma. Okay, and sometimes they used to live with others also for their safety reasons, and they are very happy while living in a caves also. Okay, now GoBot is thinking that I have to move on to the forward, and already see, in stage 2 GoBot has gone. See, in stage 2 GoBot has gone a little ahead in time to see the progress of humans. Okay, he went some forward to see the humans' progress. Wow, man has changed a lot. What he saw there? He saw there, oh, man has changed a lot, and a lot more. And maybe leaves were itching and tearing off. Humans are wearing animal skin now. Okay, what he is thinking? He is thinking that maybe leaves are itching. Itching means durada, and tearing off. Tearing means chiriki podum. Okay, maybe leaves are itching and they are tearing. So humans humans are wearing animal skin. Okay, now he hunts and gathers food. He roasts his meat. Amazing. Okay, he used to hunt, and he used to gather food, and he used to roast. See here. He used to roast the food, and it's amazing because it has changed a lot. Early humans used to eat raw meat, and above the part they are roasting the meat and eating. So it's amazing. I think he likes cooked meat. Okay, what GoBot is thinking? Yes, I think he liked to eat cooked meat. See here, the person is telling, he has seen me. Time to go. So what GoBot is doing? The person saw the GoBot and said, and GoBot is telling, oh no, it's time to, he has seen me, now I have to leave from here. Okay, early humans then started roasting meat using fire. They also used animal skin as clothes. The humans of these times are known as hunters and gatherers. Okay, early humans started roasting the meat using fire, and they also used animal skins as clothes. Okay, and by this time these humans are called hunters and gatherers. Okay, hunting is the practice of tracking and killing wild animals using simple weapons so that their meat can be used as food and their skin as clothing. Okay, hunting is a practice of, he used to track an animal, and he used to kill the wild animal with simple weapon, and he used to eat their meat as food, and he used to wear their skin as clothes. Okay children, now See here, Gathering is the practice of collecting wild fruits, berries, nuts and vegetables for food by early humans. Okay, gathering means by collecting wild fruits, berries, nuts and vegetables. Okay, this is gathering. Now see this, children. Okay, see this. See. Look at the picture. Write their names in boxes. Circle the things that early humans got from hunting. Tick the things that early humans gathered. Okay. See, we have to complete this, and you have to circle what early humans get by hunting, and you have to tick by gathering what they get. Okay, children. This is the homework for you today. Now. See in stage 3. Wow, early humans have changed. Early humans have started building houses. Simple, but it works. Gobot is amazed at the progress early humans have made. Okay, he is very amazed. Amazing. See, early humans have started building houses. And they are simple, but it works. Humans have started wearing different kinds of clothes. Early humans have tamed animals. They get milk from cattle. Great work. Crops now. Now man grows his own food. Cooked grains will go well with roasted meat. Next, Gobot sees that man now has a family. He has figured out that it is lonely living by himself. Gobot noticed that many houses are near the water. It's a village. People have settled near water bodies to use it for drinking and watering crops. It's time for Gobot to move on. I can't wait to see what happens next. Okay, what happened? Gobot came to the next stage, means that is third stage. Okay, there Gobot saw there is, they saw houses built. They are very short, but they are very useful to that man. And humans have started wearing clothes of different kinds of clothes human used to wear. And humans used to rear cattle and they get milk from the cattle. Next, crops. Now early humans used to grow their own food, and they used to cook the grains and they used to eat with roasted meat. And Gobot sees a family. So he thought that okay, living lonely. This early human got loneliness and they formed a family. And Gobot, he saw so many houses near the river, and the people here are settled near the river. They used to use this river water for drinking and for watering crops. Okay, and Gobot is very excited to see the next stage of humans. So he went to the next stage. Okay, children. Now, this is the class for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. So, we'll meet in the next section. Bye.